Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add sounds to your soundboard in Discord. So I'm just going to go to CapCut PC first because I will need an audio. I'll just use the swoosh sound. You can't hear it now, but I'll just export it as an audio here. Then I'll export that as an audio. And I will open the folder as well here. I'm going to go back to Discord, and here during a channel, go to the open soundboard, and I'm going to add sound to my server. Let's browse a sound here, and then you're just going to type in the sound name. I'm just going to name mine Wish, and you can even add in an emoji, maybe like a wind emoji for this one. Then select upload. Later, you can only use it in your own server though. Open Soundboard and then press it. It will play the sound. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!